How to block someone on IMO. Need to block someone? This guide shows you how to block someone on IMO so you can keep your account secure. First, open the chat with the contact that you want to block. Then tap on their name at the top of the screen to go to their profile. You can also go to the profile from the contacts list. On the profile page, you'll see a few options. Look for the block option and tap on it. A confirmation will pop up and asking if you want to block the contact. Tap on block to confirm, just like this. Once you block a contact, you won't be able to send or receive messages from them. You can unblock them anytime from your settings. Go to settings and then account and security and the block list. You now know how to block someone on IMO. Get ready to keep your account safe. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app tips on IMO.